What's up guys, Nick here, and I got some Battlefield 3 gameplay in the background. I know you guys are going like Battlefield 3, isn't Battlefield 4 just like the Battlefield 4 beta just happened? Yeah, it did, I just couldn't run in on my computer. I know, it's pretty sad. I should have a sniper right now. So I got you some Battlefield 3 gameplay. Shit, haven't played this game in a little while, so I'm not gonna be that good. So, let's get started on what I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to be talking about some stuff that's happening in the near future on my channel. If you just saw the video of the last thing I posted, the last video I posted, which was the NZXT case, you're all wondering like, oh, you got a case? Okay, what are you going to do with it? Well, I'm going to build a computer here so I can run Battlefield 4. Anyway, yeah, so let's get started on this. So when I get this new computer, I'll try to get like videos to you guys like a lot better than what I've been doing right now. When's the last time I posted my video? Like a month ago? I don't even know. Anyway, I'll try to get videos to you like at 2 times, 3 times a week or some crap like that. And if I feel like it, maybe even like every other day. Yeah, crazy. Big jump. Anyway, so what are the specs of my new system that I'm going to be having? Well, I'm going to be going with an i5 4670K. And to cool that, I'm going with the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. I'm going to be overclocking, so throw in this cheap cooler. It's really good cooler. Oh, I don't want to quit. Really good cooler, so why not? Like 30 bucks or so. So let's go on with the next thing. For RAM, we got the G-Skill Ripjaws DDR3 1600 memory, 8 gigabytes of it. Okay, 2 times 4 gigabyte sticks. For the motherboard, I'm going with the MSI Z87G45 motherboard. That's their fancy dragon red and black motherboard. For storage, I'm going with the Samsung 840 EVO solid state drive, 250 gigabyte. And for extra storage, I'm just going to throw in some extra hard drives just laying around my house, you know, why not? You guys already know what my case is. For the power supply, I'm going with the Corsair RM 750 watt power supply, fully modular, 80 plus gold. For my video card, I'm going with the MSI Twin Frozer Gaming AMD R9 280X video card. Right now it's 300 bucks, really cheap for what you get, which AMD is known for that stuff. It's 300 bucks. It goes pretty much neck and neck with the 770 in most games. And the 770 is 100 bucks more. I know Nvidia prices will be going down because of the 780 Ti that's going to be coming out soon. Let's go. So, I'll be getting some unboxings of the items soon. Maybe I'll do the motherboard unboxing later. Anyway, what videos do you guys want to see? Do you want to see more unboxings? Do you want to see more gameplay? What do you guys want to see? Throw down in the comments what you guys want to see, like what videos you want to see. I'll try to pump them out for you. Anyway, for my sound quality today, this is my first time using the Razer Kraken Pro's microphone here. I have no idea what the sound quality is, so I have no idea. Let's go! Oh, come on. So, first time using these Razer Kraken Pro's microphone. I've had these for like a couple months. So, I know sound quality, I just haven't used a microphone before. So, I already got my peripherals here. I got my headset here, keyboard, mouse, which I recently bought, which is the mouse I got the Razer Naga 2012. Amazing mouse. I like all the shit. I like all the buttons it comes with all inside. You got lots of buttons to choose from. For my keyboard, I got the Razer Black Widow Ultimate 2013. It's a mechanical keyboard. Can't complain. I've had nothing break on it. Everything seems fine. Solid keyboard. So yeah. I think that's it. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. See you guys. Try to get a video. Shit! I know, I'm doing horrible. I haven't even got a kill. Just haven't played this goddamn game for so long. I'll try to play this whole bunch of times. Just can't wait for the Battlefield 4 release. Yeah, sorry for not having a video in a little while. I've been a little busy. Shit. Yeah, I've been quite busy here. So I'll try to get more videos to you soon. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for these unboxings of my stuff. I'll try to get them to you really quick. Okay, I'm excited to get these stuff, okay? Oh shit! Shit! Didn't notice there's all those people there. Anyway, see you guys.